Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are in Herne Bay and we're just off of the seafront here on Grand Drive, taking a look at number 134 Grand Drive. Now, this is a stunning and exceedingly opulent Edwardian home. The property gives you an incredible amount of reception and bedroom space, as well as huge amounts of character. The current owners have really gone above and beyond in creating a modern and characterful family home and giving you a wonderful area to settle in. Of course, this property gives you certainly a once in a lifetime opportunity, I think. You see properties like this and you think of what you may want them to be, and this for me is exactly how you want a property like this to be presented. Coming straight through off of that absolutely incredible hallway space, we come through into the first of the reception areas. First thing that really draws your eye here is that stunning bay window to the front. You've got that gorgeous flooring and you've got that fantastic fireplace there as well, with the stove inset into it as well. Coming through and across, we go through into the second of the reception areas. Here we have the French doors leading us out into the rear garden, and we'll go out there a little bit later on in the tour, but for now a little glimpse of what you've got out there, but a fantastic back garden as well. So you can see here that we've got that gorgeous wood flooring throughout both reception areas here, front and back. Coming back through into the hallway though, again we see that we've got some more ways to go on the left, and just behind us we've got the access through into the study. So it's nice that you've got a practical study space here on the ground floor with that gorgeous herringbone parquet flooring as well. Coming back through and across, we're going to go through into the dining room now. Fantastic room here, that stunning fireplace. You've got the bay window there at the front, just letting all of that natural light flood through, and you do have the view just off of the in and out driveway to the front, so huge amounts of off-road parking. And you do have the gated access on the left hand side as you're looking at the property, in case you wanted access into the rear garden or to the current timber framed construction that we have there for storage. Coming through and into the kitchen area here, absolutely stunning. This is a handcrafted kitchen and breakfast room, giving you a huge amount of light, of course, through those gorgeous windows there at the rear. But in this space you can see it's the perfect entertaining kitchen. From here you do have a huge larder cupboard, as well as the utility room and downstairs cloakroom. We'll go through and take a look at those now, and then head into the garden, see what we've got there, before heading upstairs and taking a look at the rest of the property. So we've come in from the garden and we've just come upstairs now to take a look at the bedrooms. Now the first of the bedrooms that we'll go through and take a look at is at the rear, just overlooking the back garden. Now this is a gorgeous double-sized room with again that feature fireplace, and you can just see the care and attention that's got in to preserving the character here, as well as highlighting some modern features that we've got as well. Coming back through and across the landing here, we'll go through and take a look at the separate cloakroom. Now, it is really nice and practical that you've got that separate cloakroom to the bathroom. Of course, a busy family home always needs a separate toilet space. Coming through into the bathroom here, very luxurious, nice and clean and modern space, but giving you that characterful edge again with that wonderful roll-top bath and of course the shower unit on the right hand side. We're going to go through and across now and take a look at one of the front bedrooms. Of course, you've got this absolutely stunning amount of light coming down from the observatory upstairs, which of course we will finish today's tour with because the views from there are absolutely incredible. Coming through into the main bedroom number 1 here, beautiful bay window at the front with some gorgeous sea views, and you've got the dual aspect here with the window to the left as well as that bay window to the front. Now in here we do have the access through into the ensuite that we'll go through and take a look at just in a moment, and what a space that is. Absolutely fantastic size with of course the loo and the sink unit there, as well as the walk-in shower. So we'll go through and across into another double bedroom before heading out onto the front balcony, then we'll head upstairs and see what we've got there. So we've taken a good look there at the second of the double bedrooms to the front of the property, and just coming through here, another bedroom space. We've got the front balcony access with those sea views to the right hand side, and just ahead of us there as well, right across. Absolutely fantastic, right into the distance, and just below us there you can see the scale of the size of the in and out driveway that we've got, so plenty of off-road parking with this one. So we're going to head up to the top floor of the property, where we'll find ourselves taking a look at a further 2 double bedrooms and the Jack and Jill ensuite that services them both. Then we'll head up to the last floor, which is the observatory, and what a stunning space that is, a real feature of the property. Coming through into the first of the bedrooms up here, wonderful double-sized room, lots and lots of light coming in through here, plenty of space there, not only for the double bed but for plenty of storage as well, and you do have the light coming down then again from the observatory at the top. We've got the loo and the sink unit there with the shower on the right hand side. Fantastic Jack and Jill ensuite option with this property on the top floor, so of course for guests or friends and family it's absolutely perfect. So we've had a good look there at the second of the bedrooms up here with the 2 Velux windows, and we're going to head up into the observatory now, where we'll start to just recap a few points on the property as we take in those stunning views. So this property is of course number 134 Grand Drive, just off of the seafront here in Herne Bay, an opulent Edwardian family home giving you an impressive 3,257 square feet of living accommodation. I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and we do hope to see you soon on a viewing. And don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.